I just want to make some heavy stuff. Jesus, okay, all right. Well, looks like we have entered the dungeon zone. Kind of want some like... Okay, how can we make this sound fat and disgusting? Alright, so legit, the new Aweminus Serum 2-pack is really good, and I want to try to make something with it quickly and see how efficient it is, you know, because I keep going through it and I just want to make some heavy stuff, you know? It's a heavy time. It's a heavy time right now. Let's go and whip it out, see what's good. Should be fun. It's always fun, you know? We haven't been doing the drip battles, so I haven't been able to just make something from scratch in a short time frame in a long time, and I really love to do it. So let's see what's up. I'm thinking the whole time as I'm looking for a call and response. I want 2 basses to talk to each other, or even 3, so we can make something. I want things to sound overly crushed already, so I'm just gonna disrespect it with the OTT. I kind of like that. God, I got this. I'm just thinking of the crater constantly when I make this shit. You know, because if you don't know, now you know. That's kind of how I'm feeling. 5th, 3rd, maybe. We'll see. Oh. You know what it is. Boom, boom. 3. And then we're in D minor. You already know I can't get out of drip minor, naturally, casually. I'm gonna duplicate this, call this bass 1 fun. We're gonna need something to give us some rhythms. So we're gonna get a ride out here, you know. I'm gonna use, obviously, some Avant, oh yeah, Avant ride. You know, pick a nice ride. I think I might layer too. This is from their tear out pack. If you guys want any of these sample packs, they'll be in the description. We have like affiliate links. You can just go and support us and get some nice samples. These are going to be on quarter notes like this. I'm probably going to fade a little, maybe. We'll see. And then at the beginning, I want one to be long. It's like... Okay, now this is way too loud probably. Let's check. Oh yeah, both are playing. So the goal here was to get another patch, this next one, Caro Gun. Maybe like resample it, maybe make a bass out of it, you know, because we got the Command B now, or just B. How do you bounce this? You have to click the clip and then hit Command B, or you would right click the track if you want to bounce the track. So that's how you do all that. But now we have it bounced out, audio, and then I can have fun with it now. You know, because it's kind of out of control. It kind of needs to be tamed. So I'm going to add a little bit of that tame, add a little convolver. This is the free kilohertz convolver. You'll use these to modify the length of the decay. See, it's like under a second. That's kind of my goal. Ooh. You know, everything always needs OTT. So might as well just add OTT. Yeah. We're also going to need, you know, PHAT Kicks. If we don't have kicks, we don't have life. Rhythm formation. And then, you already know, the Aweminus pack. We're going to roll up some clap down. Maybe turn it down a little. Check it. Jesus. Okay. All right. Well, looks like we have entered the dungeon zone. And you know what? We're going to add even more cymbals. I'm going to type in cymbal, see what pops up. The techno vault. Techno cymbal. Maybe closed hat to layer with the opens. Yeah, maybe like that. And I want a little bit of dynamic range. So we're going to turn down the second one to make it go loud, quiet. Turn these down a little. Check. extending this note. We want it to go all the way basically to 4.3, and then we'll do a little fill here. Quickly and efficiently, we shall whip out a Serum Dos and load up the one and only. Let's just pick a Reese. A Reese would be good. I kind of want some like, you know, something crazy. So maybe we can get on that level. I'll just copy this MIDI. I cut it with Command D, copied it, moved it there. Yeah, that's the shit I'm looking for. Might change the rate and add it to our stuff here. See how crazy we can get it. Trash. Go back. Okay, just gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, so now we're kind of going to repeat this. We might chop it up differently on the second one. I'll color it so I know what's good in the hood. And then maybe I'll change this one even more. Just pitch it randomly and fucking texture. You know, shit like that, you know? Just wiggle around. I want to save it, so we're going to do that for show, undoubtedly, and we're going to call it, we shall call it the Aweminus Pack Extreme Overdose. Okay, we're overdose on frequencies. Call bass. It's time. What is it time for exactly? Boom, boom, boom. Maybe a synth. We're just going to use the pack efficiently and just spread out whatever we're using, you know, no really hesitation. Load up. We're going to load that shit up right now. We're going to load up a lead. Exactly. I don't know which one yet, but I'm going to copy the MIDI from here probably and get this F, A. So A is the fifth of our scale. So this is good. So I want it to be like fifth, fifth, fifth. And then the bass comes and it's like fifth, third, home, 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 home. Oh shit, that sounded already like a rhythm function. It's probably wrong octave. Sounds very quiet for some reason. I want to make a bing boom 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 boom. Okay, how can we make this sound fat and disgusting? Fucking what about OTT? What about some erosion? Duplicate that, find our root note, legato the note, and then load up a bass to layer with the random notes we just added for that lead. You know, not really thinking much right now, just trying to paint stuff on the board. We might do a sustain. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna now move everything to 9. At an EQ8, we might not want all these frequencies to play, so might want to make something cool out of this. Maybe add some reverb or something. Turn that decay down maybe to 7, maybe automate it down to some milliseconds. Yeah, maybe we can tease this at the beginning so people will know it's coming, you know. Without hesitation. You need something spooky. Boom, 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 boom. Roll, 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 roll. All right, so these are the basses about, right? I'm just gonna group them all up and call them the basses. And then I shall add EQ and we're gonna tease these basses, but actually not that one. I want this to be the call lead verb. Check this. Yeah, probably like that, you know, and just slowly creep to the drop. And then once the drop comes, we don't need this anymore, so we're gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it down a lot. Add a G clip. Clip it past 0. Boom, boom, boom. Not liking this lead at all. So I think I just need to change it down an octave. We're gonna load up pitch MIDI device real quick. So I could just scrub through octaves. Yeah, I'm liking that. And then we'll turn this up now. Yo, that shit pretty cool. I'll add some vocals on this real quick because you know, when you never know, you know? Check this. Load up the interface on the input, get an audio track. I'm gonna get a new audio track, okay? Hit the record. I'm gonna turn down my headphones so it doesn't bleed through into my microphone because I'm listening on loud. I'll turn on metronome just in case because we don't have much rhythm here. And I'll say something random, probably. Hit record. As he walked through the valley, he looked at his partner and realized there was nothing left. Okay, I don't remember what I said, but I know damn right I'm adding a little alter boy. I'm going to add some compression. I'm going to add some reverberation stations. I'm going to add lots of equalization as well. And then I'll put it before and after, just preparing this vocal. The S, the sibilance is a problem. So de-esser, running it. As he walked through the valley, he looked at his partner and realized there was nothing left. I'm cutting out all the artifacts here. I should be fading too because there will be clicks, and that's the last thing I want right now is fucking clicks. So efficiently cut, fade, and then we'll reconsolidate to make it a nice clip of time, and then we can cut them more if we need to. As he walked through the valley, as he walked through the valley, I gotta pitch my vocal down maybe like 3, and then I'll use little alter boys formants to also go down. As he walked through the valley, as he walked through the valley, he looked at his partner and realized there was nothing left. Okay, I want some robotic noises. You know, I don't know where this stuff's coming from. You know, all these ideas, they just come out, they just get whipped out from the universe, you know? You just be straight chilling. There was nothing left. There was nothing left. I'm going to chop up these little scratchers. Maybe pitch one of them up. Create new rhythms just with different pitches. Not really paying attention to key because the main bass and the sub is all tuned, and these I'm kind of like, don't worry about if they're in tune. I mean in key. Some pitch bend would be very sick, so we're going to go ahead and get that set up on our main bass. We'll do 12 semitones for everything, and then run that shit. This shit's going to be probably sick. I don't like the bending down, but I do like the up. So these ones I extended their tails out, so they sound a little different, a little bit bigger. with the gun cock right here. Boom.
As you walked down the valley,
I ping-ponged the delay so we got left and right on the vocal.
you looked at his partner in your
Let's run that
eyes.
shit.
There was nothing left.
I love this shit, man. That shit's heavy as fuck. Yo, this is gonna be in my Patreon. If you guys want this, get the serum pack, the Aweminus pack. This shit is crazy. You can see the power. Thank you guys for the support. I have been planning so many videos and have so many things that I am so excited to show you, but you know, all in due time. If you guys have any requested videos that you would like to give me, please put them in the comments or give me them in the Discord. Otherwise, see you guys later and keep making them bangers.